We are in Shillong, the capital city of Meghalaya. This is the Cherry Blossoms Festival, which is celebrated in the month of November. This is similarly celebrated in other countries such as Japan, and this festival is an amalgamation of culture and a modern day appeal. This was initially done in 2016 to promote tourism in Meghalaya and also its culture to the world. And what today it offers is an outlet for the locals to market its product, as well as for outsiders to come here and get a glimpse of Meghalaya. One of the positive sides of a festival like this is the promotion of indigenous and local products, and also empowering local community involved in the production. We are joined by two entrepreneurs here who have been working to promote the local products and to give them a bigger market. Thank you for joining with us. First of all, introduce yourself.
Okay, I'm Agatha Christiwala.
And your name?
Hi, I'm Dr. Nandi Lingdo.
Okay. So tell us about what is it displayed here? What are you guys promoting? We want to know that.
Alright, so Meghaira is the name of our brand, and we are promoting all these local products that are available here and sourced from our direct farmers. So the reason we started this brand is because we wanted to take our products to another level for exports. And also we have seen there's a lot of middlemen involved,
Right.
which really hampers the growth of these poor farmers. So we ensure our moral of our company is to never ever
So how do you source a product like this? This is the honey.
Yeah.
So what is the process? Just tell us about the process. How does from zero to the honey bottle? How does it go about?
All right, so we source of our honey from farmers, and some of
They
our
are based in Meghalaya.
yes, all our products are based in Meghalaya, and our farms as well. My mother, she is a farmer, so it's based on that. So for this honey, I've got it from my own hometown. It's from West Jaintia Hills district. We are ensuring it is like the highest form of purity, no adulteration, nothing. Yeah.
Okay, so you source it from the farmers and then you market it.
Yes.
And who does the marketing? You guys do the marketing.
Yes,
So it's
exactly.
basically giving better price to the farmers
Yes.
without compromising the quality, and also removing the middleman. That is the exact model.
Yes, whatever amount they offer us, we take it.
Right.
Yes.
And how important do you think an event like this for you guys to network and also to market your product?
It is very important for us, a station like this, like Cherry Blossom and other literary festivals that we have that happens in Shillong all the time. We get to showcase our products.
Right.
Now, however, it's not only for us, but also for other entrepreneurs also. They get an opportunity to showcase their
Right.
business.
Lastly, ma'am, Meghalaya is known for its matrilineal society, women empowerment.
Exactly.
But when it comes to business, if you see the statistics, the numbers are less when it comes to women leading the businesses. You two have come forward now and you're promoting other women as well. How important is for the upcoming generation of women to join businesses like yours?
It is very important for women to come forward and then take the lead. And Aggie?
Yeah, they have to be brave. I mean, I know there's always this conventional thought that
Right.
women cannot handle business,
Right.
but whenever you take the risk, it's worth it.
So there you have it. This is indeed a very positive sign to see local products being marketed at a higher level, and also farmers getting their due. These are very unique products. This is sticky rice. It's a local delicacy here in the Northeast. You can see there are other products such as the red rice, black rice. It's very famous. There is also a black rice pudding that we people in the Northeast make. So these products are very unique. This is the turmeric. This is a local turmeric, and if you know that the Meghalaya's turmeric has good curcumin value, so it's very unique. That is the reason Meghalaya's turmeric is always preferred over the other one. So that is what we are seeing here in Cherry Blossom. It's an amalgamation of modern day music festival come promoting local products like this, which will give better market to the locals and also an opportunity for rest of the country to come and visit here and get a glimpse of the actual Meghalaya. This festival has increased the brand value of Meghalaya, and today we are here present in Shillong Polo Ground. Lot of people are here. They are all entering the festival. Huge turnout today, huge turnout, and not just from within Meghalaya or the Northeast, but also people from as far as Kerala and outside the country have all come here and gathered here at this festival. A big opportunity for festivals like the Cherry Blossom is that it connects people across the country, and we are speaking with tourists who have come outside the Northeast and try to get a glimpse of our culture here. With us, we have a gentleman from all the way from
Kerala.
Kerala.
Yeah.
So, sir, first of all, tell us your name and which district of Kerala are you from?
I'm from Thrissur.
And what's your name?
My name is Anson.
Okay, so it's your first time in Meghalaya.
Yeah, it is.
How are you liking it so far?
It's one of the best experience I've had in my life so far.
Yeah.
So I think that says it.
And what about the cherry blossoms? This is done to, to honor the cherry blossom, which happens in this time of the year.
Okay.
Along with that, it has a musical festival, and so many displays are going here. What is your feeling coming here, and are you liking whatever you're seeing so far?
Yes, I have very much like everything I've seen so far.
Yeah.
And I've had like beautiful experience, especially with people.
Right.
People are really nice and kind and welcoming. So I think everyone should visit cherry blossoms in Meghalaya at least once in their life. Yeah.
One thing that you would want to take from Meghalaya back to Kerala, that's something unique that you have seen so far.
I think people are really good with managing the road, I would say.
Right.
Yeah, because I
Traffic
see a lot of
management.
small cars and how they handle well in
Right.
such situations.
Right.
I think that's inspiring.
Well, sir, have a wonderful stay here in Meghalaya and do explore the Northeast.
Yeah, thank you.
So you can see here a lot of people have come from outside the Northeast, and they are coming here to get a glimpse of the culture which is at display here. It's just wonderful to see people all the way from Kerala to come to a place like Meghalaya and have a good time and also celebrate its culture along with the modern offerings displayed here. So the turnout is high, the spirit is even higher, and that is what we are showing you. We're going to show you a glimpse of the festival to get you a sense of what is the mood here. And the lineup today is very exciting. The script, Jason Derulla, Nora Fatehi from Bollywood, and other such musical acts. Shillong is the rock capital of the country, and music is very important here. They do love their music, and that is the reason we have seen the likes of Akon also coming here at the Cherry Blossom Festival. And this time this lineup is even interesting with rock performances and pop performances. So that is what we are trying to show you. And also we have to remember that an initiative like this broadens the connectivity of the Northeast to the rest of the country, and also is an opportunity for the locals to exhibit their products. That is what we have been showing here as well. So that on the sidelines of the Cherry Blossom Festival are the exhibitions which promote entrepreneurs from the Northeast. Currently we are at a stall which is promoting streetwear made from indigenous products from the Northeast, and we'll get you a glimpse of whatever the things that have been at display. We have very cool t-shirts here and different t-shirts. We are going to speak with the founder as well to know more about it. Hello sir.
Hi.
So this is the Cherry Blossoms. A lot of the exhibitions are out there.
Yes.
What have you got for us?
Okay. So basically, we're a brand called Mad Genius. We are based out of Guwahati. So me and my wife are the founders. So we are doing really fusion motifs. So this is a motif from Assam. So we have this this specially woven by the villagers, and then we have passed it on the t-shirts here. So you can see this is called Khorai. This is an Assamese traditional stuff.
Right.
And we have one horned rhino, which is an endangered species, which is a pride of Assam also. This is one of the designs that we are doing. We have another stuff that is specially from Northeast, which specially like this.
Yeah, this is very interesting.
Yeah,
This is
bamboo
100% bamboo fabric, it's
yeah.
written.
Yes,
So it's made of bamboo.
Bamboo, yes. It's made up of purely bamboo fiber. It's very, very sharp. It's super sustainable. No artificial.
Eco-friendly.
It's eco-friendly. It's sustainable. It's
So Northeast is famous for its bamboo.
Yeah.
Almost all the states have their own bamboo resources, and what sir has put us for display here is very interesting,
Yeah.
because more and more young generation are now conscious about what they are buying,
Yes,
in the sense that this also appeals to their
Yes,
causes.
Yes. So we should now be aware of our planet right now, because so much of pollution, wastage, fabric wastage is a big problem right now. With bamboo, we're going to solve this issue, because this is super sustainable and eco-friendly and it's like preserving our planet and all of that. We have also one of the last thing that I want to show is we have an animal series, all right? So what is there? We have a lot of animals that are very unique to Northeast. So let's say
I
for
think this is the
example-
Sangai
Yes,
from
this is
Manipur.
Sangai, yes. So this is an endangered deer. So not a lot of, we have one-horned rhino from Assam also, but this is a deer from Manipur.
This is very interesting
Yes,
because this is a heritage of Manipur,
Yes,
the
yes.
Sangai, the state animal as well, and this is in display. So, just tell me when festival like the cherry blossoms happen, how important it is for an entrepreneur to get that market, because we see people coming from Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore coming here.
Yes.
So, do you think it's an opportunity for people like you to also display your products?
Yes. Let me tell you, like we have been staying here for the whole day right now. So we have people from US also coming here right now. People from outside Assam right now coming here. So what has happened? They have tried to come here and connect. Like whatever we're trying to tell them, we're trying to portray the heritage. With the bamboo is very unique to us. They never knew about what is Shanghai. So now they know about it. So it's a very beautiful platform where they can come and we had a platform to come and portray it, and we got a lot of traction out of it.
Thank you. Thank you
Thank
for
you very
joining
much.
us.
Thank you.
So that is what we are picking up here at the Cherry Blossom Festival. Lot of stalls are at display, lot of culture are at display, and we are going to get you a glimpse of whatever that is up here, so that you can get a glimpse of the cherry blossoms, and you can also make plans to come here the next time this happens around November. That is a positive entrepreneurial side of festivals like this that we are showing you from ground zero. With video journalist Nishan, this is Nibir reporting for NewsX.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.